Dear colleagues, from July 15 to 19, OMEP will hold the 76th World Assembly and Conference with the motto, right from the start, for ECCE, Step Beyond Altogether, in Bangkok, Thailand. During the Second World Conference on ECCE held in Tashkent 2 years ago, OMEP committed to transform early education and work collaborating to the progress of SDG 4, especially SDG 4.2, which aims to ensure that all girls and boys have access to quality development, care, and pre-primary education. The OMEP Annual World Assembly and Conference has become an important mechanism from disseminating new knowledge, research, and debates, defining areas and strategies for advocacy work in favor of children's rights, and strengthening communication and cooperation among members, partners, and stakeholders with similar goals. The conference is organized by OMEP Thailand and the faculty of CHULALONGKORN University, with support in partnership of national governments, the Ministry of Education, the Equitable Education Fund, ARNEC, the Global Campaign for Education, UNICEF, and UNESCO. The program joins outstanding keynote speakers and with deep academic and political expertise from all over the world, and also a large number of presentations of remarkable researchers and educators. We invite you to actively participate in this unique and comprehensive event on ECCE. Share, discuss, analyze the current situation, exchange knowledge, innovation, and research, strengthen your commitment with children's human rights, and help to scale up the determination for reaching SDG 4.2. Please visit our website omepworld2024.net and share. We are looking forward to seeing all you in Bangkok.